Also got, other people who got an interest in the events like this, like for example, our sponsor who actually said that, okay, we can put something together like this, they are prepared to organize, a scholarship for, people who are interested in IT, especially the senior schools. And if you are interested, you can contact me. My number is there. Unfortunately, I couldn't get Mr. Muller to stay the sponsor, but he actually asked me to get interested people to actually contact me, and I will arrange for the company. There is money for this type of event. It's going to happen again next year, and this was the first one. It was a bit of a trial and error tournament, but we've learned from what actually happened. And I don't know, half of the people that actually wanted to play in this tournament did not know where this hall is. And I actually, up to this morning, some people still telling me, where are you? They don't know where Allianz is. So unfortunately, I don't know if that is the situation why so many people didn't play. I've got some entries that were paid. I don't see the players here. So I don't know if that was the overall problem with regards to this. Then I also got commitment from the people at the playing field. They actually want to build up something like this. And they committed to actually sort of, build a club, because from this we want to promote chess. We took friends in a big area, and we want to actually get other areas sort of active as well. So next year we're going to start chess more seriousness to actually sort of promote it to players. And we took Western Province to task until the end of the year. There's another tournament happening at UWC. The team's event, but the president of Western Province assured me that they would actually come here if it wasn't for their tournament. But we took them to task to do some serious chess promotion in this place. Okay? Now, with that, having said that, I would actually like to welcome Mr. Muller, February, the late Mr. Muller, who actually supported us so well. And I hope you actually, having a good, satisfying afternoon. We also got a video of, the past tournaments that Mr. Muller was involved. Maybe we can cut this and give you a copy of that as well. Okay, now I'm going to start handing out the prizes from I'm first going to start with the age category prizes. We have a number of youngsters that play. We'll start the youngest boy that played in this tournament is the age of 10. We'll call up Antonio Gainsford. Next we are having age category 12, and the winner there was Joshua Jacobs. And then age category, sorry, there's also a book for Joshua Jacobs. It's also a good prize. Then age category 13, Adib Arifin. then we got age group 14, Nathan Churches. Then in the age category 15, Samuel van Rooyen. Then we go to the racing prizes. Racing prizes, this category is 950 to 1,000. We got a winner there, Mikhail Safi. Second category is racing prize of 1,000 to 1,100. And there it was Mikhail Blue. And then from 1,100 to 1,200 racing prize, we got Joshua Jacob. Okay, then we got rating 1,200 to 1,300. That is Samuel van Rooyen. And the last category is 1,300 plus. The winner is Casey Clausen. Right, then we got the ladies prize. There's only one lady. Bobby. Michaela Sundin. Well done. And then the best game, this person unfortunately didn't win the game, but he lost the game. But he had, instead of making the mighty move, he made another move, so he actually didn't win the game. But it was a brilliant game. I've actually got the recording. I'm actually going to include the recording for him to actually see where he actually went from. And it was well played by Candace Baker. And with this, I'm also going to give him Candace. With this, I'm also going to give him a book that says, "Play like a grandmaster." We come to the adult section. Some of these certificates science school, the seniors was not your tournament, it was for the youngsters, but we also looked at the seniors as well. The winner of the senior section was Mr. Leon Gates. The second prize was Shaban Worship. We come to what the tournament was all about. The youngsters, and on the top board I could see they actually battled. They were serious in playing this game, and I like the competition to be like this, because once you competitive, they're going to challenge each other, and it's always spur them on to greater heights, to actually want to win. And like I said to the reporter, chess is a game that actually sort of, you always want to solve problems. You crack this problem, you want to go to the more complicated problem, you want to crack that one also. And once you did that, you go higher and higher. And that is exactly what's happening even in the schooling life, the academic life. You can see, we got testimony of all the players that came through this club. Like the Maxwell Solomons, the Nazim Mustafa, our sponsor Julian Mulder, these are players that actually sort of participated and did the challenges. And this is what chess does. It actually always spurs you on to want to actually go higher and higher and higher. And this is what I picked up in the group that actually played on the first top board. And it's a good sign of how it should be. And even up to the last game that we actually had to decide to actually have a playoff, because we got a system on the computer where the ratings is done, the pairings is done, and even up to for board 2 and 3, it was a dead heat. In other words, all the scores were exactly the same. Even the computer didn't actually give a tiebreaker. We decided that we're going to play it out on the board. And that is the competition that you actually have in chess, that actually sort of drives you to actually want to actually go higher and higher. So I'm actually very glad that it actually happened this way. And I'm going to award these prizes now. Third place was Kasim Daniel. Woo! Ik zoek het wel uit. And second prize, the guy that actually interests a lot is John Rodney Brown. Woo! And then, well, I don't need to mention his name. Edwin Gaines. And we got certificates for all our participants in the tournament. I'm going to Mr. Ian Eli. Hassan Losper. Farid Arnold. Is it good? There is Tom Davis. You can take yourself a magazine as well with the Wait, लड़का है Shakir, Roshan. Saan makan dia babu. How much is the